Today we're going to show you some real-world examples.
Yeah.
We're going to be working with SyncOS.
SyncOS, exactly. Super quick, super simple. Call up panel triggering an AMR.
All right, a manual trigger.
New sync. Call panel to AMR. First step. Add your call panel device. Name it C1. Action type is add a function. Actions is send signal.
Sending a signal out when the panel is used.
Yep. And action parameters, let's say the signal is pickup ready and the value is 01. Could be anything. Depends on the panel.
So someone presses a button, it sends pickup ready with values 01.
Got it. Next step. Add a MAG, AMR, FMS step.
AMR, yeah?
Edge condition from C1. Choose send signal response. It just reacts when the signal is sent.
Simple enough.
Edit the AMR step. Action type. Add a function. Actions. Assign a workflow. Familiar now, right?
Yeah, assign a task.
Parameters. Workflow name set to pickup. Assign task now to true. Priority to 10. Done.
So panel sends signal, AMR immediately gets assigned the pickup workflow. That's really straightforward.
Exactly. Just shows how easy it is to integrate a simple manual trigger. So yeah.
So if you're looking for a way to streamline your workflows, save time, and reduce errors,
Give SyncOS a try.
all right, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to the deep dive.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll see you next time.
See you next time.